Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from Sock Tweaks. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone's low call volume problem. There could be a variety of reasons for your iPhone volume low issues. You might have accidentally toggled the volume rocker while on another call. It's possible there is an obstruction preventing you from hearing the other caller well, or you could have a software or hardware problem. Even something as simple as an operating system update could be the cause of the problem. So today I will show you 10 ways by which you can fix this issue. So before we start, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. So let's start with the basic method, that is turn the volume up on your iPhone. So basically your volume will be low and you might getting this issue. You have to do this when someone calls you. See if you can turn the volume back to a level comfortable to hear. Another solution is to check if your iPhone case or screen protectors are not blocking your speakers. Sometimes covers or screen protectors are not properly set, and because of that it will cause low audio when you try to have phone conversation. Next method is to flip the silent switch on your iPhone. As you know, iPhones have a physical switch button on the left side. So some users have said that after they turn the switch off and on few times, the volume in their calls went back to normal. Another way is by turning on and off airplane mode. As per some users, they toggle airplane mode on and off few times and it fixed the volume problem. So give it a try and make sure that the final position for airplane mode is off. Also, if you guys are facing in-car problem while using a Bluetooth headset or AirPods, there is a possibility that you might have problem with the Bluetooth connection. So by turning Bluetooth on and off, again this problem may fix, and if that doesn't work, then try creating a new pairing for your Bluetooth device. Next method is by disabling noise cancellation. Some users experiencing problems hearing callers on their iPhone said that by turning off noise cancellation have fixed in-call volume. So to turn off noise cancellation, go to the settings, accessibility, audio and visual, and toggle noise cancellation off. If all these above method doesn't work and if there is an update for your iPhone, you should definitely install that update, because sometimes outdated OS or speaker driver will create this issue. So make sure your iPhone is up to date, then try making your calls again. Now if nothing works for you, just restart your iPhone. You never know, your iPhone might just need a good restart. I mean, you could be doing everything right, but features may not work correctly. As the saying goes, simple restart can do wonders for electronics. So just shut down your iPhone and restart it within few seconds and then try your calls again. And if nothing works for you, then you need to clean your iPhone speakers. Speakers full of lint and dust can cause call volume to be muffled. So try cleaning your speakers, and the best way to remove dirt and dust from the speaker on the front of the iPhone is by using a soft toothbrush, or you can also use a small paintbrush. Once your iPhone speaker are clean, then try your calls again. It will definitely solve your problem. Last but not the least, if you have tried all the troubleshooting steps above and still you have problem, then there is a possibility your iPhone has physical damage, and for that you may need to call in professionals. So check your warranty status, then make an appointment with the Apple store or visit your local Apple authorized repair shop to see if they might be able to fix the problem for you. So these are the 10 ways by which you can fix your iPhone low volume problem. And that's all for this video. Also, let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Also, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And now I will see you on the next one. Peace.